When I craft a piece for a family, I want it to be something they can cherish. A piece of well-designed furniture becomes a part of a family's legacy, and as such should be beautiful today, tomorrow, and for following generations. Our family workshop is situated within an 18th century farmhouse courtyard and shared with an active local artisan community. We are committed to sustainability and sourcing good quality materials locally. We work with a mixture of reclaimed wood and FCS sustainable timbers, and all of our timber wastage is reused locally. Working with wood is a tactile process. The look of the grain, the feel of the knots, both combine to create a unique texture. Then there are the scents and various colour tones of the different timbers. It takes a lot of mental and physical energy to produce a custom piece. Often it is a challenge, but this aspect of my work gives me great enjoyment. I like to use hand tools to get close to my work, and there is a choice to be made as to which will suit the project best to get the little details exactly as I want them to be. My role is to turn our clients' ideas into something solid, unique and beautiful. Most of our clients come to us because they're looking for something high quality that they would not find in a mass-produced furniture store. To mix all these elements together and create a solid piece of furniture for people to use every day is very satisfying, and I know that I'm fortunate to spend my days making something tangible and to have a finished piece sitting in my workshop after all the hard work. I trained in joinery 7 years ago to understand traditional technique. This really inspired me to use different shapes and techniques, such as the dovetail joint, which has always been hidden in furniture making and which we now use prominently on our mirror frames and cabinet doors. I realised how much I enjoy doing woodwork when I was running an independent surf shop in Devon and creating a lot of the shop fit myself. This fusion of traditional rustic farmhouse style and contemporary modernist design can be seen in a lot of our pieces. As a child, I watched my dad woodworking in his shed for hours. He gave me an appreciation of design and working with my own hands. I think these memories are sometimes still there when I'm shaping the wood and putting the furniture together. For me, the biggest reward of being a craftsman is the genuine appreciation that I get from my customers, and when the finished piece of furniture goes beyond both our expectations, then that's when I really love what I do.